In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Final Fantasy XVI online and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Final Fantasy XVI was officially fully released for PC, ported over from the PlayStation 5. Now, a question that many Final Fantasy XVI players had ever since the original release on a PlayStation 5 is if there is any way to access online multiplayer on the game. So, if you go over to the PlayStation 5 version, you won't be able to find anything in there, and once you acquire the game officially for PC, you will see three main options from the main menu: Continue, Load Game, and then New Game. Well, regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to customize your gameplay experience, so you can choose story focused, action focused. You will be able to set up all the settings, but even after you get inside of a save, you will notice that there is no option to open your friends list and invite them. So, do you need to go over to a specific game mode? Do you need a specific DLC like Rising Tide or Echoes of the Fallen? Well, even after you go over through the game settings, you visit the official website, and then you go over to the Steam store page, the Epic Games page, or even the PlayStation listing, you will notice that all of them only list single player being available. Which means that sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, playing Final Fantasy XVI online is impossible. Final Fantasy XVI is a story-focused experience, and because of this, it is intended to be played alone. It is completely single-player, and unless the developers add some sort of expansion or game mode that features online functionalities, it is going to remain impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Final Fantasy XVI does not offer online functionalities and it is intended to be played solo. If this video helped answer any questions that you might have had about multiplayer in Final Fantasy XVI, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.